I have this resting B face where it's like, yes, tell me.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing. But inside I'm like, hey, everything is gonna go wrong. I'm a teeth night grinder.
Same bro, same. How
So
do you
I wear the
realize?
night when my teeth were going down. And then I love how everyone's like, बहुत अच्छी लगे. But ये इसने plastic surgery किया है. अब गौर से देखो सबने किया है. Somebody was asking me, where do you get the best street food in India? I said, every street. Where do you do the best shopping in India? Every market. That is because it's part of our culture. He sends lots of reels and he sends like that. I love watching those vegetable videos before I sleep. And first everyone's like, don't buy black car. Then I was like, nah, I really want a black car. And I've been single ever since.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ
मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा
Do you have a very hard breakup?
No,
Easy peasy?
nothing is easy peasy in life. And I guess it's just as hard as we choose to make it.
You launched the Male Feminist for us. So like big ups to Shruti Hassan for being that first woman who said yes, this is something we should do. Hi Shruti, welcome back to the Bombay journey. क्या हाल है
Thank you.
आपके?
I'm very good. आप कैसे हो?
मस्त एकदम बढ़िया.
What a sunny, gorgeous day.
It's
Only when the
been-
AC is running though.
Yeah, it's been little hot, yeah. But
It's been
beautiful
very
day.
hot. Sudden switch.
Yeah. 4 degrees. Roll.
Because I think like recently, till the January ka pehla hafta, it was like, wow, it's 22 degrees in the night.
Yeah, it was
And
beautiful.
then it was like, nah, kidding, it's 38. Like Alexa was the
Cut
temperature.
to.
It's 42 degrees, Shruti. Good morning, go die. You know what I mean?
Yeah. అయిపోయింది
It's
enjoyment.
like that lady when you can't connect to your friend. She's like, the number you've reached is busy. And I'm like, why are you excited that it's hot? Why are you excited that I can't reach my friend? Alexa also is like too chill. I wish Alexa had more like, if you're going to use AI, then it's like, hey, Shruts, good morning. Listen, just letting you know.
Like have a wake up voice.
Yeah, it's 38 degrees in the morning today. So
It's hot.
yeah, have a glass of water or something, you know, not like it's 38 degrees in Mumbai today, go die. You know what I mean?
But you said something really fun, okay, the first time. I said Mumbai, New York are same. You said Mumbai is New York in a lungi on steroids.
Correct.
Why do you say that?
Because, you know, look at the color, the texture, the vibe, you know.
Yeah.
We're like that. So that's
Yeah.
what I mean by, but I have to say, aisa nahi hai ki New York is not multicultural.
No, it's not this colorful, you're right.
No, our one country is so internally multicultural, na?
Mumbai is like full country in one size.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. That's what I'm saying.
It's beautiful, Ra.
There's no immigration problem amongst us. Do you get what I mean?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Internal racism was the second thing that you spoke about.
Adi where?
But
But no one's checking the visa, I'm saying.
yeah.
From Chennai to Mumbai, no one's checking for passport.
అక్కడ కూడా చేయరు కదా చేస్తారా
No, but there's such a huge conversation when you're talking about multicultural UK, multicultural America. The topic now is also about where did all these cultures come from. Na?
Yeah.
So that's a fairly nuanced, scary topic.
Yeah, 100%.
Whereas when you're thinking about it in India, that's what I mean. Like it's New York on steroids.
That's true. It's
Yeah.
superb. As a statement, it is stuck.
There's a kulla energy also to how we all are. Which I
Same
love.
to same. Food also, right?
Food also.
Culmination is all here.
Literally, somebody was asking me, where do you get the best street food in India? I said, every street.
Yeah,
Where do you do the best shopping in India? Every marketplace.
that's true.
That is because it's part of our culture. Ek jhund bana ke all of us go celebrate, eat,
Yeah.
buy one chudi, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I went to Jodhpur to shoot recently.
Okay, what were you shooting?
That will tell.
You can't say.
Varu.
Okay.
So when I was there, of course, we did that typical, you know, the shopping of Jaipur skirts, shirts, silver, beautiful earrings. Then you know what I did? I went to that Pakka marketplace to see what bhaji sells there.
Really?
Yeah. What?
So what did you find? Kersangri?
You know, like I didn't even know parval. I'd never eaten parval till 3 years ago.
No.
Seriously, no one made me parval.
Mumbai Didi log make a lot of parval, bro.
No, I'll tell now what vegetable to make.
You tell.
So I'll be like, like I love Karela, I love Bengan, I love Tindli, I love all that.
किस प्रकार का बैंगन टिंडली करेला you love?
Karela I like fried.
Crispy.
Yeah. Bengan in any way I can have.
The Hyderabadi बैंगन peanut chutney, peanut
Adi
sabzi.
okati. Apro, actually first time I had Andhra Telanganalo a long idi undi.
Yeah,
What is
Bengan.
it? What is Bengan in Telugu? Yeah, why do I keep forgetting?
రే చంపేస్తారు అందరు మనకు ఏదో ఒక కాయ All vegetables are.
that is onion kada. Ulli.
మనం search చేసేయాలి like to just to be
Sorry,
safe.
anyway, basically once Rana's mum sent food over
Okay.
with that long bangan sliced into rings in raita,
Oh.
fried and then put in raita.
Oh.
It was so good.
Did you not get the recipe?
I think it's like I try to figure it out myself, but I don't want to ask women for their recipes.
You should ask Rana.
As if Rana made it, his mother made it.
What if he knows?
No,
Hi Rana, bhai. Please, if you're watching this
Betta.
and you're this cool
You
guy
know-
who runs like cool
you know your
companies.
Amma's favorite. Okay, Mama's favorite dish. What Amma makes for you, you love.
I love Rajma Chawal.
You know how to make it exactly like her, the recipe.
Yeah.
She taught you.
Yeah.
Oh, you're runner. Andike male feminist.
అవును మనమే.
That's why.
Yeah.
Okay, samajh gayi. Mostly people don't know.
They don't know.
I saw this Instagram thing saying, which is so funny. It's like a guy is upset that his girlfriend or wife doesn't cook like his mother, and she's like, "What? You should cook like your mother, na? She's your mother. I should cook like my mother. Why should I cook like your
Yeah,
mother?"
100%.
And the logic of that was so simple. You know that age-old thing like, "मेरी माँ सबसे best है." Great, of course, 100%.
तुम भी वैसे बनो.
हाँ, तुम भी बनो ना. If you like mama's sambar or mama's rajma chawal, then you should learn to make your mama's rajma chawal.
100%.
You know, I loved that. That was damn funny.
आपकी ना एक पूरी दुनिया है जो म्यूजिक से और
जी।
कंपोजिंग और सिंगिंग से
जी।
है और एक पूरी एक्टिंग वाली है.
जी।
डू यू एवर गेट टू लाइक फिगर, डू यू एवर थिंक कि हु आर यू देयर वर्सेस हु आर यू हियर?
वो तो लाइफ में ही करना पड़ता है ना.
हाँ.
Who are you here in this room? Who are you in there? So it's not that much. In fact, यहाँ पे जो parameters हैं वो काफी clear हैं.
चिल है.
Chill है. Like, you know, a musician Shruti is a different personality. On set Shruti is a different personality. Shooting an ad Shruti is a different personality.
8 hours okay bye.
Yeah. Exactly. And I'm like, कौन जीतने वाला है ऑस्कर यार? चलो हाँ.
हाँ.
Hello.
So
Teeth are so small and cute. Like, he still has his milk teeth.
no, they're just small.
So cute.
Bichara could be grinding also for all you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a teeth night grinder.
Same bro, same. How
So
you
I wear
realized?
the night when my teeth were going down.
You were also like छोटे हो रहे, दांत छोटे हो रहे.
I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? And then my dentist gave me a night guard.
So you wear both up and down?
No, only down.
Same rah.
Yeah.
Ante,
Up and
that's
down
enough.
might be too much for me.
Yeah,
you know?
same. I know what you mean.
Then I'll feel like Hannibal, you know, and then mask in the night to sleep. Yeah.
Ouch. But you have great teeth. I just realized. I never looked. Sorry, this is not even like.
वो सही
it's not
किया है.
appropriate.
I had very
Ah.
conal teeth.
Oh?
Yeah, very
So you
conal.
wore that aligner thing?
No.
Then?
I just got them done.
Oh, superb.
Yeah.
Like paisa.
Yeah, because otherwise I needed braces, which I should have worn.
Yeah.
And then I was just like, I don't know.
But there's that invisible aligner stuff, no?
I
now?
tried Invisalign for 1 year. I don't have the discipline it takes to align my teeth with Invisalign.
So you wouldn't
Yeah.
wear the guard through the day.
No.
You would just remove and throw.
Yeah, not remove and throw. I'll keep it in my back pocket and then I sat on it once and whatever.
Yeah,
This
because
is not
that
for me.
adapted to your teeth. If
Yeah.
you sit on it, it loses
Suddenly it's
shape.
like
अदे चाहिए तो. यही नहीं करना था.
हाँ डॉक्टर मैं लगा रही हूँ एवरीडे और ये दांत ऐसे जा रहा है because I sat on it. Yeah.
What does it cost a bunch?
It is expensive.
Yeah?
Yeah. But then I do it and I forget about it. So
Nice.
it's good. Yeah.
How you so chill? Last time you met me, you told me you got like nose fixed कर दिया. मैं क्या
वो
करूँ?
कब का बता दिया मैंने यार?
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. How you so chill in like just being
Because
this
people
person?
are not stupid and they can see before and after.
सवाल.
And I love how everyone's like बहुत अच्छी लगे but ये इसने प्लास्टिक सर्जरी किया इसने बताया अब गौर से देखो सबने किया है especially teeth
सही बात है.
especially teeth
ये सही बात है.
we've all come with our little teeth
Yeah.
everyone has
Yeah. See.
very few people have you know that perfect smile
How they have, I don't know यार. मेरे को
like
जानना है.
Madhuri Dixit
Yeah, no, she does, right?
from beginning she's had the perfect smile
Yeah.
beautiful
Grace.
when I
Max
was a
Pro.
kid and I saw on TV first I was like damn who's that lady with the best smile
Yeah,
like,
dude, for sure.
beautiful
But trolling generally आपको मिलती रहती है मतलब अलग-अलग चीजों के लिए.
now it's like very less
Touch wood, bro.
I'll tell you why
Why?
yeah, I've always said this in so many interviews that Eminem theory मैंने खुद सब कुछ बता दिया तो तुम
अब क्या ही बोल
कर
लोगे, हाँ.
yeah that's it
I literally got her matcha chocolates when I went to Vietnam or something.
matcha yeah mochi matcha in chocolate also I can still do but I'm telling you off late I think बहुत पी लिया ना matcha ice matcha one day I took a sip and it reminded me of when I was a kid and I licked the mehendi in ceremony. You know, you go for mehendi.
Yeah.
And everyone was like, don't move. And I was sitting like this. And then they were putting nimbu and lime. And then I just said, how will it taste? And I ate the mehendi. And suddenly the matcha tasted exactly like that mehendi I had eaten when I was
Is
7
that
years
why
old.
in India everybody is saying it tastes like grass?
Maybe I don't know how many people have eaten mehendi. I've eaten mehendi.
I'm like, ऐसे कौन करता है भाई? ये क्या है? ये क्या चल रहा है?
They were like, basically don't say don't do it. If you tell me not to do something, I'll do it.
Yeah, same రా, same. మనం కూడా అంతే.
Okay, ekkada?
Bandra side. Like I used to know chai tapris when I was a huge chai person in life. Like really good
I
chai
don't
tapris.
drink coffee.
Yeah. पता नहीं क्यों मैंने हमेशा सोचा आप कॉफी वाली व्यक्ति
Because
रहेंगी.
you're internally racist and you think I'm South Indian and I like filter coffee.
Oh no, you could.
I'm allergic to coffee, ra.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
How did you figure?
After vomiting a lot.
Oh no, क्या होता था?
So in school is the first time they were like, you know, if you drink coffee, then you'll be prepared for the exam. And as it is, I have anxiety. तो मैं थोड़ा coffee पी लेती थी and immediately my body is telling me, Shruti, this isn't for you, right? And the minute I did that, I would get like full palpitations, sar mein chakkar and then ulti max. Then I thought it's because of the exam. Let's leave coffee for some time. Again, I tried in America and then I was like, maybe because I didn't eat breakfast. That's why. Then I kept making these stupid excuses. Till a doctor was like, no, you're severely allergic to caffeine. So I
Wow.
can't even have Red Bull, Diet Coke. I used to drink Diet Coke, also think it's fine. Always puking. It was just that allergy.
Same ना
Yeah.
दूध तो.
Oh, milk, lactose intolerant.
ले, I can eat dahi and cheese.
Because they're
तहसीर बदल
fermented.
जाती है. Yeah, essence
they're
changes.
fermented. Yeah.
You've gone less on social also. You're
Yeah.
a huge like Instagrammer.
Yeah.
ఇతనికి మెసేజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత 5 minutes ఆగాలంతే జప్పని రిప్లై వచ్చేస్తుంది.
No, I still reply fast.
అవునా?
But overall, I'm kind of like reduced my social media activity
అదే
compared
కదా.
to how I used to be, huh?
Why is that?
I don't know, I just didn't feel like,
Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes if I feel like I want to do a Q&A or something, I'll do it. Do you
Yeah,
know what
you'd
I
go
mean?
live a lot, ra.
Yeah,
You'd sing and all. You'd start playing the piano and all.
yeah.
I don't know. I miss that.
I'll do it more. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Like randomly 12 a.m. in the night, Shruti Hassan's live.
I'm an insomniac. no?
Yeah. Still,
So,
that's same.
yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
it's like we're two friends. We're catching up on like what's changed.
What? Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. I'm pretty much the same.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Pretty much the same.
And,
मुझे अभी भी नींद नहीं आती.
कितनी बजे तक लेकिन?
3-4 बजे तक.
And then you're not trying the melatonin and all of those things?
No, yeah. No. It is what it is.
And-
It's anxiety.
It's anxiety.
Yeah.
Basic.
It's who I am and I try and manage it. Yeah.
But you're like feet tapping ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, or brain tapping ta-ta-ta, or just
Yeah.
like calm face with
Everything's
anxiety
happening
inside?
all the time.
Oh, super.
No, I was just saying I have this resting B face where it's like, yes, tell me.
Yeah, yeah.
I know what I'm doing. But inside I'm like, everything is going to go wrong. And then one person will say that one really messed up thing and then it will be like,
Oh,
You've
you're
seen-
just like waiting
you've
to
seen
burst.
that weapons. That they'll break that spell stick and all those kids will come running. Yeah.
Danger.
Then everything comes out.
But have you always had like an imposter syndrome-ish space thing?
Imposter syndrome?
Is that there?
Nah.
No.
I don't have imposter syndrome.
Just
I'm just
general
generally
anxiety.
anxious.
Very cool. कभी समझा था ये आपका core?
Much later in life. And then I
Maybe.
got therapy and then understood it more and what are the triggers. And now I'm a little better at handling them. I wouldn't say I'm great,
Yeah.
but I'm definitely, I was dysfunctionally anxious. Now I'm functionally anxious. Yeah. Don't crash, Amma.
లేలే మంచిగా స్లోగా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి.
Yeah.
Yeah.
నువ్వు okay, they'll come no in the middle.
They just came like this.
That's it.
ఏంటిది?
Yeah.
How is this a
Even I
signal?
do
Ra?
that when I cross the road. Hey, stop, na pono.
That's not even a zebra crossing.
Yeah. But we are standing there, no? We
Yeah.
want to cross there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct.
So they've now created a Z formation. Your car is there, their car is there. So this is a Z.
Oh my God, these are.
Yeah. Sexy gaddi, ra?
Kotta bandi.
Mubarako.
Thanks. Yes. At first, everyone's like, don't buy black car, don't buy black car. So all these years, I've been avoiding buying a black car. Then I was like, nah, I really want a black car.
Yeah.
And I've been single ever since.
Ouch. Really?
Yeah, so maybe this is what all I needed in my life was a black car to just be focused on myself.
Wait, did you have a very hard breakup?
No,
No.
no.
Easy peasy?
Easy peasy kaadu. What is easy peasy?
కనుక్కుంటున్నా అంతే.
Easy peasy. Nothing is easy peasy in life. And I guess it's just as hard as we choose to make it
Yeah.
for ourselves. you know.
Okay. But you're through now?
Yeah, long back.
Perfect.
Like, single, making music, working hard.
No, wait. So, from the time we met till now, you've done so much work. Crack ippude వచ్చింది కదా? Crack
Hey,
was,
అది చాలా
it's like, I mean,
రోజైంది.
between the time we met.
లేదా ఆ తర్వాత we have met. Are you mad or what? We
అవునా?
met for bestseller my
Ah,
2022 అది.
2022, yeah.
22 లేదంటే 2023 we met.
Oh,
2 or 22 or 23.
one of the two.
అమ్మా
But that show was a different show. We didn't speak of work as much.
No.
This show we can talk about work కదా?
చెప్పండి.
అది చిరంజీవి గారితో ఉన్న ఫిల్మ్ లో వచ్చింది.
అది ఎప్పుడో
అది
వచ్చిందిరా.
కూడా ఎప్పుడు వచ్చిందా?
అవును.
సాలార్.
ఆ,
సాలార్ is
సలారు
late.
ఎప్పుడో వచ్చింది.
You were filming Salar and you told me about
Salar,
like
yeah.
Mad Food Sent by
Then,
Prabhas.
yeah. So then that means you 2022 you met me.
Salar 2 కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా?
అది తెలియలేదు. when they call me I'll go do.
అవునా? IMDb లో ఉంది కదా?
ఆహా అది అందరూ చెప్తున్నారు that we're going to do it but ఇంకా తెలియలేదు. whenever
Okay.
they call me I'll go do Salar too. I did Coolie.
Yes, Coolie. That was
Yes.
fun, bro. Rajni garu.
Yes, amazing. That was super fun. Then now I have 2 things I'm working on which will come out. Akasam Lokatara, Telugu.
That is Dulquer Salman.
Yes.
Wow.
It was really fun. Love the team, love the director.
I love the both of
Love
you,
both.
like as human beings.
Oh really, you know him?
DQ is who taught me this technique. ఇలా సీట్ బెల్ట్ పైన వేసుకోవాలి జాకెట్.
Auna.
ఇది DQ టెక్నిక్.
Oh super.
Avunu.
No, he's really lovely. Lovely to work with. I had the best time. So we never actually were friends or anything. But when we spoke on set, we realized that he also grew up in Chennai.
Chennai, yeah.
He was Sisha, I was Abacus.
ఏంటిది డైనామిక్?
School, ICSE schools.
Can you repeat the names again?
Sisha, Abacus.
Wow.
So he went to Sisha, I was in Abacus. So he remembered me as Zombie, which is what they used to call me.
What are you saying? Why?
Because
you
I
were
used to
goth.
sing. No, because I used to sing Zombie by the Cranberries and win culturals. So they'll be like, hey, Chodu, like, par zombie for the They didn't know my name or who I was. They'll be like, Pardan, the zombie for them, the zombie for them. They used to say.
Wow, what are you
So
saying?
I was known as Zombie before I was known as Kamal's daughter, Shruti Hassan, I was Zombie.
Wow.
And the zombie anga pose.
This is when you all were extra terrent. What is that?
No.
That band is
School
much
culturals.
after. Oh.
School culturals గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
So your band is much after.
అది తర్వాత.
Bhai Saab.
So he knows me from school.
You always come on the show and you sing a little so. I'm just like, I'll try
But
my luck.
Zombie is not the kind of song you sing in a closed vehicle.
Yeah,
in
I
my
will reduce the
opinion.
ACs to just
Yeah.
see like
No.
in my head. I was like,
In your head. That no. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh.
see? You can.
Yes.
I was just like, bro, if anybody can, you can.
It's that break, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's also like, आप गला बढ़िया खींच पाती हो. Ah.
Yeah.
It's like
no,
a
not like
vocal.
I follow some female vocalists. I've been following a lot of different kinds of female vocalists. That's what I love about Instagram. I use it way more for stuff that influences my art and inspires me, you know, instead of just the brain rot vegetable stuff, which I also love. The
Singing.
artistic metal vocalist women, the techniques, I try it like it's so challenging, so hard. I watch just what incredible artists are doing. Even like stuff people now, I really want to get into ceramics and like air clay and stuff. And so yeah, I just love art stuff and looking at other artists. And so in that when I see female vocalists, I'm just like, yeah, but they've also been doing it since they were 15, 16.
Yeah,
I suppose.
crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Vocal chain, if you're okay sharing, tell me, what is
Vocal?
your vocal chain like when you're,
I started singing very young,
yeah.
but totally untrained. So, you know, when people say Nepo and stuff, and I never really fight it because it's so easy for me to say, my first opportunity to sing was in Appa's film for Ilaiyaraaja sir. This is not
Yeah.
like ordinary shit, you know, and he's being nice to me. But actually, no, he always said I had a strong voice.
He did?
Yeah, because he came home once and I screamed for my parents and he was like, Mama, you know.
He's like, range.
Yeah, range, I think. I've always had a very dominant voice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which becomes a problem when I'm not singing in
Yeah.
personal life.
Yeah. So,
And I was
shit.
like, I wasn't yelling at you. I was saying I'm proud of you. You know, but it's just
But
that
we're not
strong.
used to like women giving it back also, no?
That combined with the quality of my voice.
Yeah.
So I started singing age 5. And then I was always musically inclined. Never trained. Started training at age 14. in Hindustani classical.
हाँ जी, वाडकर साहब.
Ji, Patkar Sahab, and then Pandit Manohar Kulkarni ji,
क्या बात है.
who's no longer with us.
Yeah.
And then went to America for music school, and then trained under one of the best vocal heads of our vocal department, Mike Campbell, who's also no longer with us.
Oh no.
Yeah, so just incredible gurujis of all races, you know.
वाह यार, बहुत सुंदर.
And from there, so classical is my root, really. Yeah, Hindustani Sangeet and classical, and sometimes when I'm allowed to go into that world again, it does, you know,
Yeah.
feel really beautiful because my roots are classical.
Have you never hustled and texted like Anushka Shankar and said let's
She's
collaborate?
a friend of mine.
I'm sure
Yes.
like she would be, but like have you never ever imagined a collaboration there?
We've actually done a show in London together,
Wait, what?
which Norm, my friend, organized.
Wow.
Yeah, so she performed, I performed. We just didn't perform together, but Anushka's a lovely person, apart from being an incredible artist.
Super
But I'm
artist.
sure it'll happen when it has to happen.
Yeah, no?
Yeah, she's incredible. I love her.
Same.
And whenever we speak, we're just like fully varinjifying on each other in Tamil. It's cute.
Avna?
Every day, nee nalla irkiya? Like, yeah.
In accents.
Yeah.
Yeah, why
Of
not?
course.
बहुत सुंदर यार, मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था ये
We're
सब.
both the Tamils. Yeah.
Yeah. But you traverse so easily between Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, like full. What else can you speak?
I can understand a few languages, but speaking these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy కదా.
Yeah.
మీరు అన్ని సినిమాలు చేస్తుంటారు, ఒక్కసారి
కానీ
అక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి అక్కడ.
ఈ విషయంలో I feel that my Telugu is the weakest because I'm not in Hyderabad and speaking to somebody in Telugu all the time.
Same.
కానీ dialogues ఇస్తే it comes, okay, వచ్చింది.
Ah.
You know, but the vocabulary slips in and out. So I need to, maybe I should
Refresh.
date a Telugu boy, then my
Why
Telugu
not?
will be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. At
All
least.
the best. Telugu
Because
boy.
I can only date on the phone because I'm so busy. So when people say, you know guys, long distance is hard, I'm like, everything is long distance for me. So I should date a Telugu guy, then I can practice my Telugu.
షిట్ రా, అట్లా ఎట్లా
What do you mean?
డిస్టెన్స్.
I mean, everyone in our business is like that.
యా.
You're never at home. You're running around at odd times. When you're working, you're fully in that. Things change. Suddenly you're like, hey, I have 10 days off. Come, let's love each other now. And they're like, no, I have a life.
యా. Let's love each other now. I'm just like, bro, क्या मतलब?
It's not easy to date an artist, musician, actor, director,
Yeah.
whoever. It's not easy. I would not advise, you know. So
पहले ही कमी चल रही थी हमारे यहाँ पर, उसमें आपने ये और तड़का मार दिया.
yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not easy.
Oh, no.
It's definitely not easy. I mean, I know I'm not easy in that department. So I'm very committed, loving and all, but I know I can't show up like in the quintessential way a girl needs to show up. Because I'll be like, nah, I have to finish the song, or I'm going to shoot, and I'm doing this. So, you know, yeah.
Damn, son.
Yeah, what to do?
Difficult.
In my heart, I'm like really gharelu.
Yeah.
But in my work, I'm really like, you know,
Yeah.
Formula One. Yeah.
Like एक तो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता घरेलू क्या होता है. Like this like terminology also that we've been fed
No,
now.
I'm actually very domestic inside. Really.
People who have not heard me say this out loud, I would like to appreciate this woman for sharing with me sambar recipe of during the pandemic.
No,
to
I love
freeze it.
feeding people,
Yeah.
my friends. If I have a partner, I love pampering my partner to the core.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so sweet.
Even like passengerifying and notifying. Like full take, like my love language is like pamper you,
Wow.
feed you. If you're not well, I'll put that wet cloth like in the movies.
Red cloth.
Wet cloth.
White wet cloth. I
I'll
had
mull.
red.
Then I'll feel bad when you have fever. All that I'll do.
Very nice.
It's like genuinely I do.
बहुत सुंदर.
Yeah.
अच्छी चीज है ये
Yeah.
तो.
And then my feminist friends get damn pissed because I like serving the boyfriend first and all. First నువ్వు తిను తర్వాత నేను తింటున్నాను పర్లేదు. So that like makes everyone really angry.
Yeah, I'm getting
But
like
I love
sucks.
it because the rest of my life I'm the one going forward, opening my own door, doing this, and you know, I like it. I like being feminine.
Whatever. I mean.
But I like it with a man who appreciates it.
Yeah.
Not a guy's like, you feed me first, then I'm like, choke on it, you know? But like,
Mar.
yeah. But you know, if a man is very evolved and appreciates that pampering, it's beautiful.
बहुत सुंदर.
I get to be feminine, fully in myself there.
Yeah.
It's cute. Yeah.
भाई ये बताओ कि जो सालार की बात की हम लोग,
जी।
उसके बाद जो कूली की बात की है,
जी।
सालार फिर भी ठीक ठाक चल गई, कूली उतनी नहीं चली. नहीं
चली
500 करोड़.
प्रोड्यूसर के हिसाब से तो चली,
सही बात है.
पैसे बना लिए ना उन्होंने.
I mean
बट
sometimes when
अभी
you
क्या हो गया
wonder.
ना, सबको 1000 ये नंबर्स, भाई सबकी
वाट लगा रहे ना.
सच्ची में वाट लग गई सब.
But आप लोगों को प्रेशर आता है क्या? Do you?
मुझे तो नहीं.
हाँ, but
मुझे
you're the
तो कम है.
heroine. You're like on the poster. You're bringing the crowds in.
Yeah, you know what happens, no, when it's like you will, no, we are not on the poster to bring the crowds in. It is a male-dominated film. That kind of film is a male-dominated film.
Yeah.
Let's not beat around the bush.
Yeah.
And there are female-dominated films. And there are films that are just films, which are the best.
Yeah.
You know?
But you aren't picking those misses kind of films like, you know, the one that Sanya did. I would imagine you to be able to pull something off like that.
I don't want to do female-oriented for the sake of female-oriented. That word only gives me little ick,
Yeah, true.
you know?
What is female oriented? We didn't
Are
call
you calling
male oriented.
Coolie a male-oriented film?
No.
Are you saying Salar बहुत male-oriented picture थी?
नहीं बोल रहे.
Then why are we saying it?
Yeah, perfect.
You know, that's my issue.
आप जैसी फिल्में उठाती हो ना, कोई समझ बूझ नहीं पाता मैं कि अरे इसके बाद ये कैसे किया.
Yeah, I've always had fun doing that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Purposely you do what?
Yes.
And like, are you picking like
That's
pan India?
the only thing I know how to do is like shake the cage a little bit. That career planning, strategy, ఇలా చెప్తే అలా చేస్తే, nah, that I don't know. I'm zero.
కాకపోతే బాలీవుడ్ రాలేదా మీ దగ్గర?
I'm doing something in Hindi.
You are?
Yeah.
Hey, what is it called?
It'll come out soon.
Shit.
The announcement will be actually by the time this is out, the announcement will be out.
So tell us.
It's a series.
Oh.
Yeah. Finally, you know what it is, Ra? I'm making choices where it's like, no, Shruti, aap aise mak, Shruti, wo, no, but Shruti, you should maintain the Shruti. I just want to enjoy the roles I'm playing. I'm finally doing that.
Superb.
And saying no to things, everyone's like, you said no to that? Yeah, because yeah.
But like when you meet a Rajni sir on set,
Yes.
are you not asking ki like strat? Like are you ever exchanging that kind of notes?
That I can ask Appa at home, no?
Appa is also there.
Yeah, but that works only for them, no?
That's true.
And especially going to an icon like them and saying, tell me strategy.
I mean, I would like slip it in like एक tip ऐसा
Nothing.
broad.
The tip I'll tell you, which is common in both of them, is that so hardworking.
They're both coming together for something, no?
Yes.
Oh, bro, that whole
They
teaser.
are so hardworking. They are so hardworking.
Crazy, kada?
Yeah, and it's not a hardworking like मैं इतना काम कर रहा हूँ, I'm tense, यार मेरा shooting ये घंटे, चुपचाप hardworking.
बस कर रहे.
They will give their life for it quietly. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're not creating tension. They're not saying, oh, I have so much. They're maintaining everything. Their families, their offices, their relationships, and working like beasts. That wo trick is beautiful.
Now that you all have been artists for so long, you've been in the family also so long.
जी.
आप लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव अलग ही होगा भाई.
हाँ, but हम ज्यादातर काम के बारे में बात नहीं करते
ही नहीं हो आप लोग.
We're normal, you know, बाप बेटी talking about बाप बेटी stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you all vibing?
Yeah. He sends lots of reels.
Really?
Yeah.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
Wow.
He'll send reels.
Are these like your broccoli types or like
No.
baap beti?
But there are some cringe reels he sends also.
Whoa.
Yeah. And
Very
I'll be like,
cool.
this auntie is really not funny, Papa. But he sends a lot. But he'll also send really artistic stuff. And then he'll send little girls singing, which I know is like a
Him
call
thinking
back
about you.
about me.
Yeah.
That's cute. Then he'll send... he loves when people are cooking out in the Gramam side, Uru side lo.
Adi best too.
Adi
is so good.
Adi chala chustunaru.
And they do it for like a lot of children also.
Their family full kutumam mottam undi. Oka pedda or in pot lo pan ella they'll make mutton curry.
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll put it off inside and cook and
Yeah.
that and all he'll send. That
That's
and all
so
he
good.
likes. That he got heavily into during COVID. Can you make this for me? I said, in which pana, in which village? Okay. We're all in lockdown.
With
How will I
leaves.
send it after I make it?
Yeah.
Let's assume I went to my garden in my flat in Mumbai and made it with a pana. How will I send it? So
Dude.
he sends a lot of videos of musicians, art, that kind of stuff.
So cool. I can never imagine.
Full reels, blast, and he send like that.
Acha, they've done a rapid fire for us, which is not branded.
Rapid,
Rapid jabta ur ke.
Jaldi bolo, mere ko time nahi hai.
ठीक है. Favorite city as a musician?
Favorite city as a musician?
Yeah.
Vienna.
Vienna.
Yes. Beautiful.
Because-
musical.
yeah?
History. Vienna, Prague. Yeah. Beautiful.
Wow. Most challenging role?
Being a woman accepted in society.
Facts. Films mein?
Films mein, I think 3 was very challenging for me when I first started. After that, I want roles that scare me, that
Yeah.
push me, and where the makers have that faith that we'll take her out of that place and make her do this. I love it even when music directors call me to sing something out of my style or range. I love it.
Yeah, superb. Genre you want to explore?
To perform in,
I mean, anything.
I would love to do a romantic comedy.
Haven't you
I haven't
done
done
one?
romance in a long time.
Yeah, in a long
In
time.
life and
yeah,
cinema.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ouch. Very real, Ra. You're keeping always like always.
అవును లైఫ్ లో కూడా సినిమాలో కూడా
You are not in any situationships.
అది ఉంది.
అదే కదా ఏదో ఒక రొమాన్స్ ఉంది కదా.
అది రొమాన్స్ కాదు, అది సిచ్యువేషన్షిప్.
అదే
అది ఉంది కదా, అది అయిపోయింది.
ఆర్టిస్ట్ you would like to work with, collaborate with.
సో మెనీ
Names were drop.
So many, Amma. I can't say like that. Recently, I had the chance to collaborate with Saya Bhankar, which was completely left field. I never expected to collaborate and then get along and then have a song people like. So I just leave it to the universe.
Wow. And then, like...
Anushka, let's say we already
why
said.
not? Yes.
So we'll tag Anushka.
Yeah,
in
guys,
these.
just go for it. Sitar, and what would you sing with it? That'd be crazy.
Pakala. She's damn creative.
There's chai there and there's lemon soda there. Em
Cup
kaali
lemon
cheppandi.
soda cheddar.
Lemon soda. Very nice. Good choice. सारा अपना खुद से बनाया? Wow, auntie, superb. This is like better than the decoction from like 100 times.
Superb, auntie.
Thank you.
Wait, auntie, how old are you? How old are you?
58.
No, then I can't be like auntie. I'm 40. She Didi then.
Didi. Kaki. That's why I always say Kaki. Yay. We just got some fresh गर्मी
Refreshments.
गर्मी सुलझाने वाली चीज
Yeah,
है.
actually, at this hour, drinking tea would have been mildly sus.
Yeah.
It's too hot.
It's too hot. बट एक पूरी प्रजाति है हमारे देश में जो किसी भी टेम्परेचर में किसी भी टाइम पे चाय पी सकती है.
Yeah, but I'm not an afternoon tea person. I'm an evening tea, morning tea person.
हाँ, this is 3:15. अभी कौन टी पिएगा?
This is like a weird tea time.
Yeah, that's true.
Why has the radio come on?
Yeah, my music started playing. Wait, so are you one of those who's checking where her music is, how it is performing, and all of those things?
No.
No?
No.
Atla.
When I get my Spotify rap, I'm like, damn, I did well this year. I'm not stream conscious.
Wait, you get a Spotify rap for the artist side also, no?
Yeah.
That must be fun.
Yeah.
How well did
Then
you
I
do?
can see really well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Because I'd like Vinveli Nayaga.
Hey, sing it a little for us.
No, please, no. It's very...
But the one that you're singing on stage, this is that one, no?
Yeah.
Bro, that was so good.
Thanks.
I was so happy. I was like, wow, that was you? How did I not see it? Like, suddenly you go back to the title and you start reading the names of the humans who are singing it.
Yeah. No, so yeah. So and now, yeah, I guess that was there. And then, what else? Sanchari. Because that also suddenly came in the middle.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been good. This year's been, last year into this year, everything's been pretty good.
Hey, touch wood.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
touch wood. Thanks.
Good fun.
But I'm not a numbers person.
You're not?
No.
Were you never?
No.
ये कहाँ से आया?
See, I have to understand what is and isn't working. But this, how this film will make 1,000 crores. I'd make the film first. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And like I said, I'm not agreeing with the 800 crore films. I'm not loving it. And there are films that are not working, which I'm very much loving. So I'll just do kind of what I like. Yeah.
ये कौन सी फिल्मों की बात कर रही हो आप? Bro,
अरे
you need
नहीं
to catch
ऐसे
up
भी
on
नहीं
your
बोल
work.
सकते क्योंकि what is working good.
Yeah.
I just wish some other stuff would also work, that the audience who believes in that kind of cinema also pushes that more. Just like there's an audience that pushes the other stuff more.
Yeah, that's true.
वो responsibility हमारे ऊपर है, आप समझ रहे हो, as an audience.
Yeah. No, this I really have to appreciate and give it to the Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and even Marathi audience. The kind of support Telugu and Tamil folks will go and give to the theatres and go and watch the films, Hindi cinema just never does.
Yes.
That kind of unison is never just seen. और ये है problem.
It's never that it never does. It used to do it very well.
Once upon a time.
Yes, of course. It was really inspiring, But
Suddenly
yeah,
it changed. Right?
I remember I was really young when Dev D and all came out. And
Yeah.
It was it's awesome.
Yeah, but even Devdi was doing well on Mozarbear, on CDs, on home video.
No, we all went in Chennai and watched it in the theatre, dude.
Wow, yaar.
And it was packed.
अनुराग साहब अभी वीडियो देख रहे हो तो प्लीज बताना हाउ डिड द फिल्म डू. आई डोंट रिमेंबर
Numbers
numbers.
तो नहीं पता. I remember my experience of it.
We were also
was
that
so
age
good.
then, na?
Yeah, it was so fun. And then just that there was that kind of films which are just, you know, made for the love of movies, and I think that's kind of reduced.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah, I mean,
మీరు కూడా మిలేనియల్ కదా?
how no?
అవుదే సేమ్
Yeah.
90s
So I think
kids.
every kind of film should be made. One should not cock block the other. you know?
That's true.
That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the only thing. Yeah.
కాకపోతే with like how do you tackle this whole like tag of pan India star? Now you're like pan India. I don't know.
Yeah, I think people are over it now.
Aren't you like worldwide technically because you're singing
Exactly.
and like going around
And this
everywhere?
I've been doing for so long.
Exactly.
This people have been doing for so long.
So then-
కొత్త ఏదో పుదుసా డిస్కవర్ పన్న మాదిరి పాన్ ఇండియన్ స్టార్. Then what was, you know, Rajini sir, Papa and all doing in the 70s?
Yeah, weren't they
When
already?
they're coming here and working with Bachchan sir and all, that's not pan Indian. No?
Yeah, dude.
Telugu industry producing films in Tamil, going across people. Is
That happened
not
all the time.
Then what? Kottaga pan Indian.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry. Whatever makes you happy.
Yeah, wait, dude, ये हमने कैसे कभी बात नहीं किया? मेरे को पता चला आपके पिताजी आके आपको जिब्रिश कुछ बोल के चले आते थे. मतलब वो आपको ऐसा नया नया लैंग्वेज इन्वेंट करके कुछ
Yeah,
बोलते
it was
थे.
a part of like this training. So my dad's very much about lateral thinking and like even using your body and your mind in a way where you're not getting used to the same stuff. So if you're used to touching your nose like this, then learn to touch it like this. So do you know what I mean? Like
Yeah, just
As an
open your
example.
scope up.
he has this beautiful thing of like if you clench your knuckles together like this and then you do it every time you do it this way, now just swap it over, it'll start feeling different. And you need to do this with your brain, your mind, your body and your cognition all the time. It's so fun.
Yeah.
Because we forget to think like that. We don't remember phone numbers anymore. We don't remember to use our minds like that because the algorithm just feeds us. So I think I don't get so scared about brain rot in that sense because I think of the way Papa.
Because you're already set कि भाई ये set है.
Yeah.
अभी इसके ऊपर कुछ भी करो फर्क नहीं गिरता.
Yes. Yes.
Rot handle कर लेंगे.
Yes.
You don't have a limit or what on
Yes.
Instagram?
So, what do you mean?
Like a time limit?
No, I don't.
How
Some
much
days I
time?
don't look at it at all.
Oh, superb.
Yeah. Some days I'm just like reply to my friends and then don't scroll.
Perfect.
Or scroll for 5 minutes and then I'm over it because I'm doing something else.
बहुत सुंदर.
I love watching those vegetable videos before I sleep, I have to admit. It kind of makes me laugh before I sleep.
बहुत सुंदर.
Yeah.
जो सही लगे यार
Yeah.
आपको. भाई ये बताओ कि ये जो सेल्फ एंड अवेयरनेस ऑफ सेल्फ होता है.
I don't know if I'm self-aware.
You seem like you're quite.
For me, it's just survival.
This
Self-awareness
is basic. You end
important.
up saying that to a lot of times. I've said stuff around this.
It feels very basic to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I have a long way to go still.
Fair.
Because my friends will point out something and I'll be like, oh yeah, I guess.
Wait, you have your quirks? Tell me.
Yeah.
Please do share.
I mean, it's not specifically like this. The really bad things I've tried to fix.
Anger?
I mean, I pretty much still lose my temper, but
Yeah.
it's a bit better.
And then?
It's a snap.
Yeah.
You know, I'm like
And
that.
then you're back.
Yeah, then I'm back.
Yeah.
I don't keep negativity in my heart or my energy field. It's not for me.
मस्त है.
Yeah.
But ये कहाँ ये this is you today. ये कहीं से तो आया होगा.
क्या आया होगा?
Like where did you come to being this person? Like when did you
अरे
realize that
survive
you were?
करना पड़ता है ना. And then you know कि ये काम नहीं कर रहा है, ये गलत है, ये सही है. You figure as you go.
Yeah,
That's about
fair.
it.
Spirituality ने help किया? Were you?
I think so.
Yeah.
And I think nothing teaches you faster than failure and faster than being let down by people. Recently, somebody told me, you know, Shruti. So first the story used to be, Shruti is very aloof. She doesn't let anybody in. That was a problem. Then I was like, हाँ यार, I do like people. If they are stupid, I'll be like, put them in the stupid dabba. If they're good, they'll come. Like, you know what I mean? Just separate people and you can be like, it's not for me.
Yeah.
Chalo, let's not say stupid.
Yeah.
It's not for me. So, okay, separate, you know, in the sieve. And then keep the ones you like who are your vibe. And in different times in our lives, we need different vibes. So, a friend recently told me, ki ninga vandu ellaரையும் like you're too nice to people, you're like believing them too much and then they'll betray you. Basically, without saying they'll betray you. So I said, but that's their karma. If I've been nice and I've been good and decent to the best of my abilities and you let me down, it's on you.
सही बात है.
And
You
it's
let them in
never-
and you had love. They
Yeah, and it's never been like now I should never trust. नहीं कभी नहीं वापस भरोसा ही नहीं करना चाहिए. नहीं कैसे? फिर मैं
हाँ.
क्यों आपके नेगेटिविटी के वजह से मैं क्यों नेगेटिव बनूं यार?
सही बात है.
That's my only thing. Similarly, when people are like, I had such a bad heartbreak, I'm going to be single for 5 years. I'm like, that fool who broke your heart should be single for 5 years. You should
Yeah.
not be
Yeah,
single
you
for
go
5
do whatever you want.
You should be loved if that's what you want. Do you
Perfect.
know what I mean? That's my mindset, at least.
मस्त
yeah.
है. Wait, food? Have you discovered new places in Bombay?
I
Since
went to
last time
this
we met?
place and I don't know how to say it. Gajjin.
What?
So I said Gajjin. Okay.
Gajjin,
And they're like, no, it's Gajjin or something. I don't know how to say
Gajjin,
it.
alright, alright.
It was amazing.
What kind of food do you get there?
Asian cuisine. Like sushi was amazing. Carpaccio was amazing. Just really nice vibe as well. Felt like Bombay like from 10 years ago.
Wow.
So it was really nice. I loved the food. That's the recent place that I ate at that I really, really, really liked.
Have you not tried Veronica's?
Yeah, of course I have. That's like Purana news.
Yeah. Veronica's old news.
Yeah, this was really yum. Really good food. And then where else did I eat? Chennai, I went and ate somewhere. I liked
Where?
it.
Tell me, please. I'm going April end.
Chennai, too, I always eat at Manjal.
Manjal, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of food?
Okay, for those who've been to Manjal, basically, bro, they come with this huge tray, okay?
ठीक है.
Which will have the food already cooked, like the starters, like
Okay.
seafood like prawn, crab lollipop, this, that, everything. Have you ever seen my Insta story where I post?
Yeah, they just like dump it all.
No,
No, not
like
that
a
one.
platter from a wide angle, like top
Yeah,
angle.
yeah,
That is
yeah.
the menu. They'll bring it and they'll show you.
Okay.
And then there'll be biryani is amazing, fish gravy is amazing there. The coin parota is banging. Like it's just
What
it's
is a
so
coin
good.
parota?
Chinna parota, konja thick,
Without
that pinj.
Okay.
I loved eating at Manjal. But there's also lots of different places. Then that day I went to Papa's office and then I told Papa's business partner who works with him, I was like, Aakalistundi, Yedaina suddenly, and he was like, I'll order, and they ordered from Vishwanath Mess in Chennai and it was like
Bang
so
on.
good. Yeah.
Wow.
So good. Mean Korumba, it was like really, really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Amazing.
Have you tried Hyderabad's new places? Hyderabad's been buzzing, bro. It's going crazy.
The last place, actually, I went and ate there and I always liked it is, what's it called? Moe?
Moe na.
Moe.
India and
Asian again.
Asian, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
For me, with Indian food, South Indian na irkatom, I don't want to go to one fancy ass place and eat. I want the food to be clean, nice, simple, aduporo, you know? That's
Array.
enough for me.
We were talking about spirituality because I saw your wallpaper. What is that?
This, my wallpaper, this is Lord Murugan.
Oh,
Showing you my
namaskaram.
message. Oh, it's only manager Kavya as usual. Lord Murugan. Yeah.
And how did you find, let's say you found Lord Murugan, how did you find him? Like this whole path what was it like for you?
They show themselves, they reveal themselves to you.
Sahi mein?
Yeah. Like Varahi Devi came into my life suddenly. They come through people or through an experience and they reveal themselves to you. Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
That's how I can explain it.
Suddenly, like 2-3 things suddenly made sense to me.
Yeah, they reveal themselves to you. Like takes care of me. Yennaya.
खाली है भाई रोड चला जाना क्या कर रहा है?
I know. Clearly,
like-
Lord Murugan has not helped with the patience.
Yeah.
Lord Murugan is saying, "Yennaya." Yeah, no, he's been a great. I really, genuinely from the bottom of my heart worship him.
And would you sing like a mantra and like do you like get into it from a musical space also?
Yes, there are so many Murugan songs in Tamil, but more than that, it's just about knowing he's with me.
Yeah.
Yes. But I'll be honest, I don't mean to offend anybody when I say this. I don't need a mediator between me and my God. I don't need a middleman between me and my God.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, okay.
And my God has never asked me for a donation. My God's ask of me that I improve myself, that I improve the world around me and the people around me. And that has never, I mean, you can do charity, but the payment that you do for that is something you can't count and just donate in it.
Yeah.
You know? So my approach to it is a bit different.
बहुत सही यार.
Yeah.
ये सही है.
That's what I feel. It's not that I don't go to temples. Not that somebody says, please do this puja at this time. I've done all that. But honestly, I don't align with it very much.
Okay.
You know, for me, faith is,
Personal.
yeah, aham brahmasmi tattvamasi. You know, it is that inside of you.
ऐसे ही है, बहुत
Yeah.
सुंदर. मैं कभी-कभी यू नो असुतोमा सदगम मैं पूरा बोल लेता हूँ, 3 लाइन मेरा काम खत्म है.
Yeah.
उतने में हो जाता है जो होना
Yes.
है.
Yes.
Have you been to Puri?
No.
You should.
It's supposed to be beautiful.
Bro, like science defying.
Like beautiful
It's
is what I've
crazy.
heard.
It's
Yeah.
crazy good. Like
Yeah.
when you said he'll come to you,
Yeah.
it was like Puri Jagannath Sahab came to me
Yeah.
and he said hi.
Nice.
And I was like, what a cutie.
Yeah.
And I'm like, how can I be responding to God like that?
Because that's the energy that in which they present. And the Rubatla varangalla, like the energy that they bring to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Please, if you all relate, let us know in the comments.
Yes.
And I'll move to the bit where I want to understand. Have you picked up any slang, new words in
No.
Mumbai?
Not really. I'm not a slangy person.
Yeah, no.
No, I'm not a very slang person.
Like Hyderabad, I really like some words like light diskondi, lightra.
Adalla, that's normal.
No, that's also slang. That's
Light
street
disco,
talk. Light disco.
Yeah.
And like neat dikh raha mama, neat.
Neat.
Photo mein kya gire? Have you
Yeah,
heard that?
like send, put, that's very Chennai.
Send, put, yeah. Bangalore is, all of these matcha things which they have applied copy paste to all South
No, but
Indian
I'm
states
famous
is
for
wrong.
something which is like not slang and all. I call everyone Ma, Kanna, Raja.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
it's like a thing that I do with everybody.
With me also you've done once. Yeah.
If I know you and I'm comfortable, Ma is universal. But if I'm comfortable with someone, I'll be like, no Kanna, no Raja, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very South Indian.
Yeah, very, very.
Yeah.
Very auntie behavior.
No, it's always felt like a nice person taking care of you for no fuck reason.
Dulquer noticed something. It's all fine till it's Ma. Then when we were on set, I said, Amma. Amma means danger is on.
Avuna, enduku?
Ennachama? Amma means finished. Ma is fine. Then he's
Really?
like, oh no, the Amma has come.
Why is
Which
that?
means- I don't know. It's just tonal difference.
Fair.
Yeah.
Nice, it's sweet. Nice guy. DQ is a very nice guy.
Very sweet.
Did he not get a different car to shoot every day?
I worked very briefly with him.
Really? Why?
I would love to do a whole movie with Dulquer because I just loved his work ethic.
Nice
I
guy.
loved the way he was on set. Just so committed to the process and just really chill and fun.
So cool. So where all are we seeing you now? Upcoming?
ఒక హిందీ సిరీస్ ఉంది.
ఏది? అది మీరు చెప్పగలరు.
And
ఇంకా?
then by the time this comes out, people mean the comment, is this what she's talking about?
Yeah.
And then ఆకాశంలో ఒక తార ఉంది.
That's on Prime?
ఇది
ఇది ఆకాశంలో ఒక తార థియేటర్.
థియేటర్లో ఉంది.
దాని తర్వాత
కానీ ఆ సిరీస్ ప్రైమ్ లో ఉంది.
ఆ సిరీస్ ప్రైమ్ లో ఉంది.
And then ఆ తర్వాత I'm starting 2 more projects. But what I'm really also excited about is I'm finally starting my gigging around India and outside.
Yay!
With 1 hour of all mine and Papa's songs reimagined in Tamil. So I'm
Which
doing my
ones are these? Name some?
like Pottu Vaitha Kadal or even songs from Vikram mixed with my songs, mixed with what I've recently sung from Sanchari to Vinveli Nayaga to stuff that I've sung Varna Mairam to Papa's newer songs to his older songs, but all meshed together in a way that you wouldn't imagine.
Call me.
Yes.
I'll come,
definitely.
please.
So that's what me and the boys have been working really hard on in the studio and we're like super stoked.
Bro, this is supposed to be your year, you know that?
I
Like
know.
you're 2 plus 8, na?
Yes.
To 10 and 1.
Yeah.
Bro.
I know,
Bro.
it's supposed to be my year.
Yeah.
And then according to my Jadagam, it's supposed to be like my next really good couple of years.
Whoa, congratulations.
Annamo, finally.
I don't know. I thought always like before also nice only.
Nice only.
Yeah, no?
Kani we all are nitpicky about what we want in our
Correct.
life, kada? So
Yeah.
in that parameter, not that I'm not grateful or I'm too greedy or anything, but definitely certain things I want improvement in. Yeah.
Mast hai.
All starting with myself, of course.
Yeah.
But then sometimes, we all come to the place like, I'm doing everything, little bit the environment should support me. Little bit the circumstances should align
Yeah,
for
it
me.
should feel like
We
everything is
all-
working in
whether
my
you are
favor.
religious, non-religious, you want things to amenjify, like align beautifully for you.
Yeah, for sure.
Someone has put, if you love something, tell them.
Idi kada?
Idi undi.
But fun. How did you feel?
Super, right? How are you going to edit it is the question. Full
Yeah,
chaos.
our people will do it. चलिए बाय बाय. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन द बॉम्बे जर्नी विद अस.
Thank
मेरा
you.
नाम है सिद्धार्थ आलम. आपलोगों को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लो. बाय.